The people behind me were like, you just took all the air out. Like,
Roseville happening right now, 10-1. That's going to be a very standard all across the game. 11-12 is our burnout contest. Seeing the burnout first. Nothing happened on 11-10.
Yeah, it is. Beautiful paint job.
It's going on from 10 to 11. So now it's time to get the jalopy all sorted out.
Thermal too.
Break check. Get it all done between 10 and 11. And jalopy draw section can happen right now. If you are a member of the club and have a club trophy, please see Maria and the gang at the merchandise table. Cool. And be sure to get your plaque to the group. Then a contest is in at the ground today, as well as our 50-50 raffle tickets as well. So be sure to buy early, buy often. Help out our fitness check for their contest today. Get the 50-50 raffle tickets from our Hottie Studebaker. We're still looking for a few more good contestants. We're looking for a little bit of Eville Shindig contestants. We've got a young woman in Emma across from the Eville Shindig merchandise tent today till 1 p.m. A lot more exciting being reported too. If you have feel for how your remote, as well as the speed or a vintage Chevy truck, if you do something alongside of the DJ booth, the merchandise tent, or the front booth. 12 p.m. Capital Cars will light off after the national anthem, and a hot rod fire up will be there for all those years long. The burnout competition will be on the asphalt pad near the auditorium on the stage before 11 a.m. At 1 p.m. it's our City Bell Car contest. Welcome to the parade, as well as the registration of the bar.
Oh, free candy.
I mean, for like 5 years. It didn't matter.
I don't know. 3 to 4 p.m. That's our big Evansville conference. It's our phone. Bonbon Limits and Rudy's Community Contest. More information on the Eville Shindig.
This yours?
yeah.
This is sweet.
Thank you.
I like the interior.
Thank you. The guy that's in the blue Tempest,
Yeah.
he did it.
Oh, wow.
He did all 3 of these.
It's got some talent.
Yeah.
Almost better than that Rolls Royce down from my house. Man, that's sweet too. Sweet. Don't touch it.
Oh.
You want to touch stuff.